for left, shoulder, soft, good, 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 turn left, and canter, yep, canter, yes, and trot, half for left, shoulder, shoulder, make him soft in the front, don't let him hang on you, half for good, so, half for left, give, yes, shoulder, be softer, yeah, wonderful, wonderful. So don't let him press a little bit on your hands. Give immediately gentle half hold. Turn left, shorter, 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 shorter. Turn right and canter. Jump. Yes. Canter, canter. Make him soft. Don't let him hang on your hands. Half hold and be soft. Half hold and be soft. Aha. Yes. Good song. Half hold right and soft. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. And trot, half hold right. Half hold right again. Shorter, shorter, and soft, and soft. Half hold, let go. Good. Half hold, be gentle. Yes. Good song. Look at that. Yeah, also why she leans on my hand, is not using the hind leg then, Easy, good, good. Half hold, gentle. Half hold right. When he's trying to come to the inside, give the inside half hold and inside leg. Shoulder, shoulder. Yeah, madam. 20 meters circle. Make him nice, soft, and canter. Good, good, yeah. Don't let him hang on your arms. You know, they have 4 legs. They don't have to be carried around. Good. And trot, very soft. Half for the inside. And trot, half hold. Give the aids for stop. Yes, soft, 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 soft. Good, so. And canter. Yes, canter. Good. And trot. Half hold with the right and soft. Half hold, let go. Half hold, let go. Trot, trot. I don't know if you ride straight ahead or you're riding at circle because you're going too much into the corners. Good, good. Change your direction. Half or left. Soft. Give the right a little bit and canter. Yeah, wonderful. Good. Give, yeah, and trot. Gentle half or left. Yeah, super. Good, good. Half hold and be soft. Half hold and be soft. Easy, yes. But don't go so much into the corners. Half hold and canter. Yes, and trot. Half or left and canter. Yeah, wonderful. And trot do this 1,000 times. So it's not a big deal for the horse. Half or left. Yes, and soft. Yeah, very nice. So the horse can trot under you. Gentle, yes. Give. Yeah, super. Change your direction. Very soft. Canter. Good, soft. Yeah, very nice. Good. Now you ride nice circles, my dear. Easy. Yeah, wonderful. And trot, very soft. Take your time. Good, rising. Good. straight ahead. Come, come. Yeah, but keep gently outside the ring. Half all and then let go. Yeah, easy, easy. Come, little bit longer. Come, come. Yeah, half all right. You know, the horse shows it what he liked to do before. Yeah, good. Serpentine, 3 loop. Stiff the outside, then the bending goes easier for him. Yes. Give the right, give the right. Now give the left. And soft the right. As soon as we have the stretching and 4 loop. Turn already, turn. Easy. Give the right. Yes. Turn, give the right, and change. Give, yeah. Soft. You see, now you have a back end, very small ones, huh? Let's do this once more. Now you do 2 loops up, the upper on the 8, the 20 meter. Give the right, give the outside. Yes, turn, good. Now we're cooking. Yes, give the outside. Very nice. Give the right. Yeah. Be soft to the left. Wonderful. Straight ahead, the time a little bit longer. Give. And short, half all right. Very nice. And longer. Come. Give. Yeah, wonderful. And short, half all to the left. And soft, excellent. And longer. Very nice. Let the reins chew out. Okay. Let the reins chew out your hands. Good. Patting. Give him the reins. Yes. Good. Yeah. Otherwise you have to jerk always on the good. That's all right. Easy. Oh. Just the left. Yeah. Good. 10-meter circle. 10-meter circle. Yeah. Change of direction. 10-meter circle. Very gently. Stay on the 10-meter circle. No, he's painted to the outside. He's looking to the outside. Yes. And change. 10-meter circle. Yeah, madame. And change. Yes. Good. Give the right. And the bending goes easier. Yes. Super. Good. And good. Yeah. Very nice. That's your horse. Good. So this I will do a lot, You could see after you get through this, the horse would start relax more and more. Very nice. And also do a lot of trot, canter. So there's always a lot to do. The more different things you do, the more the horse will be listen to you. Very nice. That's why you have